Hello beautiful people, I am so happy and grateful to be once again here with you. In the past few months I've been through a difficult situation, and now I am super glad that this is over. Now I want to be grateful and appreciative to all the beautiful people that encouraged me and supported me, and also to all of them who were a true inspiration for me to continue. If there is something that I've learned in this period of time, is the following thing: a kick in the butt, it's a step forward. So I want to thank all the kicks in the butt that I've took, and now I'm glad to be here. Also, I'm super excited and happy to do this again. And now I'm here back in nature with this beautiful nut tree, and I want to thank also the nature that supported me, and I want to give him a hug. So it feels so good to be back to nature, back to roots. Okay, so stay tuned, and this is the first video from one of the many that will come, and I invite you to do beautiful things together, and you will see that we will make great progresses together in turning our life into beautiful and new magical experiences. So I'm glad to see you in the next one. Thank you again, and I wish you an amazing, beautiful day. Bye now.